Di ba tinitira nila sa'yo is the acting and everything, nakukulangan pa sila. Meron ka bang planong to be back with a vengeance?
Not to be back with a vengeance, but siguro to be back with, to prove myself more. Kasi no matter what I'm going to do, hater nga, basher, they'll still hate me, even if I'm good to you. So, it's more on me. Because yung totoong kalaban natin sa buhay, yung sarili natin. And, yeah, I'm gonna fight my inner demons right here. I'm gonna punch them in the face.
And she really believe na you just need the right character and the right project when it comes to acting. Para mapatunayan mo ulit yung talent
I
mo
think
pagdating.
no. Kasi when you act, kasi supposedly, during that time, as I said, I wasn't really that ready. Because it's a short, we were given a short, parang span of time to prepare. The scripts were given late. And para sa akin, hindi. Kasi acting nga, you have to act. You have to act the character. And I know I wasn't that vulnerable much. At mas naramdaman ko yung vulnerability nung nag-Korean ako sa Tabing Ilog. So the musical really helped. And I might do another musical. Kasi it already helped me there. So that's the first step that I'm going to do. And I'm doing workshops now.
Ayun. So yun, kasama sa plano mo to improve your acting, workshop,
And all. Kasi we have to be versatile in this kind of work so we have to do acting, singing, dancing. Now I'm doing dancing na rin. It's because it's really needed for for you to be more gesturative. Is that a word? I don't even know. Is it a word? It is. It is. Yeah, to be more